Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. I'm going to see if we can make this a video today. As you can see, we are past 7 days worth of growth, but we do not have a full 8. We're going to shave it off today. Kids are in the other room. Got grease spatter all down the front of this shirt. I hope it comes out when I wash it. Did some bacon on the stove. I don't have a pan that does well in the oven. Today we're going to be using Kootenay Blossom. Alright, this is an HSSC soap. I believe this is their vegan formula. This is over 2 years old, or 2 years. I bought this 2 years ago. October of 2020, when we did the Pink Boys fundraiser thing, raffle for breast cancer awareness. And we're going to use the PAA Starwisp because, you know, pink, pink, pink. I did whip it up. I washed the face with the Captain's Choice to get the oils out of the beard for sure. This Kootenay Blossom, was marketed to women, I believe. I don't know if it still is. This is a 3-ounce tub. I've seen online it's 4 ounces. But it's really I don't know why you'd market it to women, because in my opinion, I've got more florals that I can guarantee are way more feminine than this scent. So if you do like florals and you're a man, don't let it scare you away that it says, hey, we market this to women, because you don't have to be a woman to enjoy the scent. We'll put the scent notes up. I believe it's a Japanese cherry blossom. I do believe there's like some amberwood or something down in the bottom. I can't remember what it is, but we are going to be using the feather. They call this wine. It's hot pink, man. It's not wine. And to match up just a little, let me reach down here and pull it out. We are using the Soft Guard. This is like, get drunk. You're pretty much not going to cut yourself with this. Huh. I think I must have scratched my ear or something. I had a scab there. Anyways. It's not the most efficient, but it does its job. Really, I used it because it was pink and I needed to put a new blade in this. I figured we'll just keep it pink. It's not even October. There we go. So much hair. Don't even have to use the pressure. They're watching Moana. Keep them both occupied. Go. It's just such a guarded blade. And there's so much hair that the hair on the razor keeps the rest of the edge from getting to it. It's crazy. Just requires more rinsing. There we go. It's coming off nicely. As you can see, we got a pimple or ingrown or something down here. We'll see if we scalp it. Just, that chin's so hard. Yeah, let's finish up this side and we'll finish up at the goatee area. Struggling through there. Yeah. See, I have hair come all the way up to here, guys. Nice. Whew. Like, it's just so much hair. Sorry about all the kids in the background. Uh-oh. It's mine, it's mine. It's about to be a daddy moment. Because they won't be able to solve this problem on their own. We'll see if they solve it by the time I finish the nose. Or under the nose. Trying to do video. It's just so thick right through here. Like, a week's worth of growth in some areas on my face is some real growth. Sounds like my daughter's staying in control though, because he's doing the whining. Alright. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, we're back. We got it settled. My son wanted to use my daughter's princess coloring book, and it's not a coloring book, special markers and everything, so went and got him his own, and now he's coloring away. We got some stragglers, definitely. Did not get it as close as I wanted. This razor will not get it as close as I want. This blade won't. After the second pass, if it doesn't, I may touch it up with the TRC, especially around the chin area. There we go. Fitting this in. Last time I did a video, the kids were here. So it's been a week. So, very nice. It's looking good, looking hydrated. Nice dense feeling on the face. Alright. Just can't stand the way that tickles under the nose if you leave too much there, you know? So. It's working out pretty nice, isn't it? Something about having all those long hairs sitting on the edge of the blade still. There you go. Right here we'll go. Yeah, see? Let's see how long that lasts. I need to get better at knowing where I need to stretch on the skin around the chin. You can see I'm trying to rush through this last bit because I feel like there's going to be a meltdown soon. Where I don't get so much skin pull when I'm dragging the razor. Maybe I need to just look at it differently. It wouldn't pull so much if I had a lighter touch. Does that make sense? That like if I had a lighter scraping, putting less weight on the blade, I wouldn't need to stretch as much to keep it from dragging, because this is well hydrated. Like it could bloop off easily, Johan. Like right there, I feel like I have like I'm barely running it across the face. I'm still getting pulled. Yeah, I just need to lighten my touch. I got a lot of things to work on, but maybe we'll work on that. Whoa, almost nicked ourselves. Did y'all see that? See how the splash feels. I don't have a matching splash. I don't know if it has a matching splash. It could have been better. You know what? We'll just take this residual and right there. I don't know, there's a chance I'm supposed to go do something tonight, so we want it to feel and look presentable. Residual was good on that. Nice scent. I do like the scent. All right, guys, you know the drill. Rinse up, be right back. All right, guys, we're back. You saw, wasn't my best performance with the SS here. This is the SS, right? So I'm thinking just make sure we get that little bit of cream that was at the edge of the blade off. All right, used it. A lot of technique, but that blade is not the most efficient. Especially if you got a lot of growth. But look, guys, we didn't cut myself, and I was sloppy. So we're just going to follow it up with the honeysuckle. Probably get in a shower today anyway, so the scent won't be on me anymore. Okay, so I had an original bottle with the awesome stricter that used to be on there, and I accidentally broke it. I mean, there was only like a third left, but yeah, so we will link it supposedly at the end of the month. It will be going from PAA until he brings it back next summer. or a year from, or 2 years from now, or whenever he does it, you know, he will retread it at some point. Maybe 5 years. I'll be pissed if it's 5, because I don't know that I have enough of this to last 5. But all right, guys, on that note, I will catch y'all later, and y'all have a great day.